Mastering A in English, exploring expressions of quantity. Hello learners! Welcome back to another exciting session in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of English language learning, more specifically, the usage of A in certain expressions of quantity. We'll break it down and simplify it for you, so don't worry if you find it a bit tricky right now. Expressions of quantity are phrases or words that tell us about the amount or number of something. In English, we often use indefinite articles, a and n, to talk about single or non-specific items. When we're talking about certain expressions of quantity, we're generally using a in ways that might seem a little different. But don't worry, we're about to clear all that up for you. Using a with expressions of quantity often implies the idea of per or each. For instance, in the sentence, apples are $2 a pound, a means per. So, it could be rephrased as apples are $2 per pound. You'll find this usage is quite common in everyday English, especially when discussing prices, rates, speed, and more. Let's look at some more examples to get a clearer understanding. I walk 4 miles a day, meaning, I walk 4 miles each day. The car was going at 70 miles an hour, meaning, the car was going at 70 miles per hour. We have a meeting a week, meaning, we have one meeting per week. From these examples, we can see that a is used to indicate a quantity or amount per unit or event. It's a simple and very effective way to convey this kind of information. And that's a wrap on our lesson today. Understanding and using a in expressions of quantity is an essential part of mastering English grammar. It might seem challenging initially, but remember, practice is key. So, don't hesitate to try using these phrases in your everyday English. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Keep learning and growing, everyone.